Hey there, folks. If you've ever needed to send money quickly and securely to friends or family, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to send money with Zelle, a super convenient app that's linked to your bank account and makes transfers a breeze. Whether you're splitting a dinner bill or sending cash for a gift, Zelle can get it done in minutes. First things first, let's make sure you're set up. Zelle is available through many major banks like Bank of America, Chase, or Wells Fargo, so start by checking if your bank supports it. You can do this by visiting the Zelle website or your bank's app. If it does, great. If not, you might need to download the standalone Zelle app from your phone's app store. Once you're ready, open the app or your bank's mobile app and look for the Zelle section. Next, you'll need to enroll. This usually involves linking your email address or phone number to your bank account. It's quick and secure, just follow the prompts to verify your identity. Now, for the fun part, sending money. Tap on Send and enter the recipient's email or phone number. Zelle will check if they're enrolled. If not, they can easily sign up. Then, input the amount you want to send, add a memo if you'd like, and review the details. Hit send, and voila, the money is on its way. Remember, transactions are typically instant, but always double-check for any daily limits set by your bank, which might be around $500 for first-time users. One more thing. Safety first. Only send money to people you trust, and never share your login details. Zelle doesn't charge fees for most transfers between enrolled banks, but keep an eye on your bank's policies. There you have it. Sending money with Zelle is straightforward and hassle-free. Give it a try next time you need to make a quick payment, and let me know in the comments how it goes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.